Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Wahl Trimmer Blades is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the peak performance of your grooming tools, ensuring that every cut is as precise and clean as the first day you bought them, and while they might seem like a simple part, their quality and compatibility can significantly impact your styling experience and the longevity of your trimmer, making the choice of replacement blades a surprisingly important decision for any user serious about their grooming. Number 5. Wahl Professional Extra Wide T-Blade Trimmer Replacement Blade. Experience unparalleled precision with this extra-wide T-blade replacement. It's designed to deliver clean, sharp lines every time. This blade is engineered for a perfect fit with your Wahl 5-star detailer, cordless detailer and retro trimmers. Ensures seamless compatibility and performance. Achieve the closest possible cut with its adjustable zero overlap feature. This allows for intricate detailing and fades with ease. The unique stagger tooth design ensures superior blending and a smoother cutting experience. It effortlessly cuts through thicker hair. Keep your Wahl trimmer performing at its best with this high-quality replacement blade. It's the ideal solution for maintaining your tools. This is the official Model 2215 replacement blade, trusted by professionals for its durability and performance. It's built to last. What we like. This blade offers an extra-wide T-blade for maximum coverage. Its adjustable zero overlap and stagger tooth design allow for incredibly precise detailing and fading. If you are a barber or stylist who specializes in intricate designs, sharp lines, and seamless fades, this is the blade for you. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut smoothly, providing a clean trim every time. Easy to install and fit perfectly onto my Wahl trimmer. Durable construction ensures these blades will last a long time. Number 4. Wahl Professional MAG Sterling 4 Trimmer Blade. Introducing the Wahl Professional MAG Sterling 4 Quick Detach Trimmer Blade. This is a replacement blade designed for specific Wahl trimmer models. Its quick detach feature makes cleaning and maintenance incredibly simple. You can easily remove it for thorough upkeep. This blade is compatible with the Sterling Mag trimmer, Model 8779, and the Beret trimmer, Model 8841. The model number for this refill blade is 2111. It's designed to be a perfect fit for compatible trimmers. Crafted with quality in mind, this essential part is proudly made in the USA. What we like. Experience unparalleled convenience with its quick detach mechanism, making cleaning and maintenance a breeze. If you value effortless upkeep and a blade designed for professional, frequent use, this option is a top contender. Its ease of maintenance ensures you spend more time cutting and less time cleaning. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut smoothly. They fit perfectly on my Wahl trimmer and don't require any adjustments. Easy to install and maintain, keeping my trimmer in top condition. Number 3. Wahl Professional Adjustable T-Blade Kit 01062-600. Achieve incredibly close cuts with this professional-grade T-shaped trimmer blade. It's designed for precision detailing and sharp lines. Experience the ultimate in close grooming thanks to its zero overlap feature. This ensures a clean, smooth finish every time. This versatile kit is compatible with several popular Wahl trimmer models. It's the perfect upgrade for your existing tool. Everything you need is included in this set. You'll find the adjustable blade, along with essential screws, oil, and instructions for easy installation. Engineered for professionals, it delivers consistent and reliable performance. Elevate your grooming services with this high-quality accessory. What we like. This kit provides an adjustable T-shaped blade for versatile cutting. The zero overlap feature ensures exceptionally close cuts, perfect for crisp lines and clean shaves. If you're looking for a complete package that includes oil, screws, and instructions for immediate use, this set is an excellent choice for detailed work. What people say. These blades are a perfect fit for my Wahl clippers, ensuring a smooth and clean cut every time. The self-sharpening feature of these replacement blades means they stay sharp for longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Easy to install, these blades got my Wahl trimmer back to its original cutting performance in minutes. Number 2. Wahl 59300 Detachable Replacement Blade. Ensure your Wahl trimmer functions like new with this high-quality detachable replacement blade. It's designed for a seamless fit, providing reliable performance. Crafted from superior steel, this blade is built to last and maintain its sharpness over time. Experience professional-grade cutting with every use. Enjoy a more comfortable grooming experience thanks to its heat-resistant properties. This tight-cut blade ensures a smooth, irritation-free trim. This standard 30mm blade is compatible with a wide range of Wahl all-in-one lithium-ion trimmer models. Please check the list to confirm it's the right fit for your device. We stand by our product. If you encounter any issues with fit, our customer support is ready to assist you within 12 hours with an exchange or refund. What we like. This is a 30mm standard replacement blade, designed for high heat resistance to ensure a cooler, more comfortable cut. If you own a Wahl all-in-one lithium-ion trimmer and need a reliable, long-lasting standard blade, this is a great option. Its heat-resistant properties make it ideal for extended grooming sessions. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut smoothly. These replacement blades are a perfect fit for my Wahl trimmer. Easy to install and maintain, keeping my trimmer in top condition. Number 1. Wahl 1045 Blade Set. Experience unparalleled precision with our advanced blade set. Designed for accuracy, it ensures a clean and smooth cut every time. Crafted from high-quality materials, this set is built to last. Enjoy long-lasting performance and reliability for all your grooming needs. Swapping out blades is a breeze. Its user-friendly design allows for quick and effortless attachment, saving you time. Whether for professional use or personal grooming, it delivers exceptional results. Achieve salon-quality styles with ease. Trust in a brand renowned for quality and innovation. This blade set upholds the high standards you expect from us. What we like. This is a standard blade set designed for professional-grade performance. If you're seeking a reliable, no-frills replacement blade for general trimming tasks and value durability, this set is a solid choice. It's built for consistent results in a professional setting. What people say. The blades are sharp and cut smoothly. They are easy to install and replace. The trimmer works great with these new blades. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.